Like for y'all, if you like the video, click the thumbs up. If you don't, click the thumbs down. Subscribe if you like the content. There's going to be more coming this summer. A lot of fishing videos and stuff like that, stuff at the lake. Also, click that little bell notification so you'll be notified when new videos come out. Yeah, baby. I heard that. So here we are on a little nature walk in a little park over in Anderson. Yeah, he got about that close to getting the squirrel.
Dang.
What?
I'll go
Back this way, that's fine, because that goes out in the road right there. And I don't really think that's a good idea. But yeah, there's a little creek right down there. We're on a little walking bridge right now. But he's seen some really cool stuff. He's seen some minnows run up on a squirrel. It's pretty out here. I think this is Toodle's place or Tootie's place. Huh? Tottie's place is what this is called, where we're at. We're right over here next to Nettles Park. Oh, there goes a chipmunk. Ooh, look at that chipmunk go. That's a little bitty chipmunk. But things like this do him really good. Let's go up here and see what he's looking at. Did you see him run up the tree? There he is right there. He was right here on this side. He was right here. I had him on camera. I wonder if that's Chip or Dale. What do you think his name is?
Or Alvin or Simon or
Or Alvin or Simon? Simon.
Was he wearing glasses?
No.
Oh, what's over here? What's down here? Oh, look at that. Now don't get close to that edge. Okay?
Yeah.
There you go. Sit on your butt, okay? So you don't fall.
Dad.
What?
If I do good, I'll be
If you fall, you see them rocks and stuff down there? You're going to hurt yourself really bad, okay?
That's good.
Alright.
Ow. I get. Huh?
There's a jump shot of the tree. I'm going. I thought of coming home too. Oh, look at all those webs up there. I'd hate to be up there. Ooh, they look like a big spider.
Alright, let's move back this way away from this edge some. Let's walk down through here, okay? Come on. Make sure you can get up and don't fall. Alright, there you go.
I think it's big.
I love those webs.
No, me neither. Yeah, we saw a really cool mushroom up here earlier. I'll try to get it on video. Oh, look, it's pretty deep right there. There's some fish. Easy. Ah, you ain't going to... Oh, okay, come on, I'll go with you. Be careful. We're going down here to look at this, all these minnows down here. See, that's why they all congregated right there. It's the deepest part of the water. Yeah, right there's a bunch of minnows right there. Let's see how deep that water got right there.
That was cool.
I bet that water is cold, boy. Look at all of them.
I'm going to pee.
Hold on, I'm coming. Hey, come back this way, buddy. There ain't no way to get up that way. Come on. If I had my other boots on, I'd come over with you, but I don't. These got holes in the bottom of them. Come on. There you go. Going up there. Whoa, 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 whoa. I got you. I got you. I got you. Stand back up. Stand back up. There you go. Woo.
Look how tall these trees are, buddy.
They way up there. Yeah, we saw that bridge that we was on from the road. Knew it run over a creek. I was hoping it got into some deep water right there. Come down and snag some creek monsters, but unfortunately it didn't.
Watch out for the hole.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh, what kind of hole is that?
Looked like some creature buried up in there.
Don't go down in there to see. Junior, don't do that.
Probably a groundhog.
Come on, buddy. Let's just leave him alone, okay?
He's exploring. He says, What do you think lives in there? Junior?
A spider.
A spider lives in that hole?
That's an awful
Okay.
big spider. I wouldn't want to meet up on that spider. That would be a nope spider. That would definitely be a nope.
I know, y'all. I wish this camera had smell vision, but it smells so much like honeysuckle out here. It's so sweet. Don't go down that bank. That's too steep. And there's too many briars. It smells so good out here. It's so sweet smelling. I mean, the honeysuckles are strong. You can smell them really good. I hadn't seen any yet, but they must be close by because we can smell them good. You looking down there? Reminds me of them mountain streams. That water'd be that deep, you wouldn't think there was fish in there, and all of a sudden you'd see a flash of silver. It'd be a trout up in there. Oh, check these out. Don't pick them. These are pretty right here. Look at them pretty flowers. Don't know what kind those are, but they pretty pink flowers. There's one button.
Mother flowers.
They're mother flowers? Yeah, I think they're some kind of rose, because look at the thorns on them. Might be like a wild rose or something. But this is pretty neat. It's a neat place over here. And it's nice and cool here. It ain't nice and cool today, but it's cool here. There's a lot of shade around, so we're enjoying it. Easy.
Ow.
I know, get out them briars. The rose bushes have briars, baby. They'll get you. Okay. All right, come on.
You okay?
Yeah, I got a bug on my arm.
Well, they'll get them walking through nature.
Oh yeah, I know. Wasn't doing that just to irritate me, crawling on me, that was all. There are minnows galore in that water right there. Now I know where, at some point, if I need to set minnow traps, I know where to come to set them. We catch all kinds of minnows down through. No, that's too snaky, baby. Let's go back up this way. Of course, will this be in the city here? You can go out through here. Would this be in the city? I don't know what happened there. They may say something about minnow traps being up in it. Be careful on them rocks. Them rocks are slick, baby. Okay. It wouldn't take much out here for you to have a minnow trap full of minnows, that's for sure. Be careful, them rocks are slick. You're gonna fall and hurt yourself, okay? You exploring? Awesome. What do you think? Does it feel slimy on them rocks?
Yeah.
Yeah. Be careful, okay? Easy. All right, let's not move no more rocks out of there, okay? All right.
And maybe just
Easy.
maybe.
Good job. Way to clear that out, buddy. Where'd Mama go? Oh, she's on the bridge. She's chilling. Yeah, it says, this right here says Bridge Brothers, date of manufacturing February 2017, live load 90 PSF, vehicle load 1.5 tons, and the serial number for those that are interested. But I don't think you can bring a vehicle down through here unless it was an awful small one. You looking down there?
The golf cart.
Yeah, like maybe a golf cart. That's a good point, Mama.
Race car. I don't know.
There's a big old vine hanging in that tree right there. They got a little picnic table down here. And this sign right here says jump, clap, skip, and move for the little kids. So it says jump, clap, skip, and move.
Tend to move like an animal, walk like a duck, and jump like a frog. Walk backwards and skip. Ask your dog to do what you do. Clap away
It's like somebody was painting right there. Yeah, I'm trying to keep up with him. And then right up here, it has some shapes, and I'm not sure what shapes these are. Junior, what's the orange shape? What's the orange one? Rectangle. What's this red one? All right, what's the blue one? What's the green one? Oh, okay, well, thank you. So we have a rectangle, a triangle, a square, and a circle. Thank you, Junior.
Yes, thank you, buddy. I never would have figured it out.
And then right here, you can see that sign right there. Kind of backwards, but it says Tootie's or Toddy's Place. So
underneath it, you can turn it around.
Anybody that's looking for a cool nature walk near Anderson and Pickens County, you got it here. Here you go. Tells you right here about it.
Yeah, baby.
There's a sign for somebody to read. So there we go. All right, well, we headed to another destination. Just wanted to share that with y'all. All right, so we're down here at the Townville boat ramp. Hey, Junior, hold them catfish up. Hold the stringer. Just pick the stringer up and hold it. We done caught 2 catfish right there. All right, put them back down. Sorry we didn't have the hookup cam going. There ain't nobody down here, but really didn't think with the way our fishing has been going here lately, we was really going to do anything, so we'll try if we get hooked up now.
Boy, you were wrong, weren't you?
Yeah, I was. Now that we're now that I got the camera and stuff set up and everything. Channel catch, yeah. We'll try if we hook up on anything else. We'll try to get it on hookup cam. Yeah, I know. Tell me about it. One of them's probably about a pound, maybe a pound and a half, and the other one's 2.5 to 3 pounds. About 17 inches long. But anyways, we'll get back with y'all in a minute. What, baby? That ain't no 8-pound, baby. It'd be nice if it was an 8-pound. There's Mama. She's being like Junior.
Horn.
All right, we'll get back to y'all.
Well, there's Junior and Daddy swimming in the lake while we're fishing. This is what summertime is all about, folks. That's what it's all about right there. Daddy and Junior swimming in the lake. Mama would do it, but she's not a very strong swimmer. Daddy. Thank you.
Hey, everybody.
I just wanted to make sure I got the camera on you guys.
You good?
It's a little hard to see.
That's a nice way to cool off. Over this way. Hey, don't jump. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Stay right here. Get over here, get over here, get over here. Fine, get over here.
Daddy, don't
Now, while they're out there swimming, I'm going to tell you a little something that happened earlier. Hope you can hear me with all these boats. I go up to the truck to get a bucket to put Daddy and Junior's catfishes in. And next thing I see, my pole is over here on one of the trees, just leaned up against it, you know, pole in the water, waiting for a fish to bite.
Get this on you, ready?
Hold on a second.
Good job. Good job.
So anyway, I come walking back, and next thing I know, my pole's completely in the water, and I said, oh crap, my pole. So Daddy yanks on it, and there's a big fish on it, and he's reeling it, and I asked him to bring it to me, so I start reeling my pole in, and Junior's yelling at me to let him do it. Daddy says, no, let Mommy do it. And no sooner I take the pole and start reeling, the fish comes off. My bait was still there, but the fish fell off. And I was so upset and so disappointed. I literally started crying. Those of you that don't know, I am a crier. And Daddy kept reassuring me, it's okay, it's okay. I said, I know it's okay. I was just disappointed in myself because I took over from the masters of fishing thinking I knew what I was doing. So yeah. Nobody is harder on me than me. And anybody that knows me will tell you that. Y'all are probably wondering why I'm not in there with them. First of all, I wore my cowboy boots, which was my first boots, instead of my sneakers, because I don't swim in this water because of the rocks being sharp and everything. We got something on my feet. And I didn't want to ruin my boots. Second of all, I figured it would be nice bonding moment for Junior and Daddy to swim together. And thirdly, I'm not a very strong swimmer. maybe when I get around to getting myself a life jacket, I'll be out there with him, so that way I can at least somewhat stay afloat. Daddy Shark. There's Daddy Shark. Get him, boy, get him.
Hey, real little bit of slack.
Off me. There's ants everywhere.
Alright, so we changed locations. We're at the same spot. We're just in a different place. As you can see, yeah, Mama found Junior a centipede. It's black and red. Come over this way and show it to him. A black and red one, that's like his favorite ones he plays with. People think they're poison, but they're not poisonous. No, that pole's fine, baby. Yeah, it ain't even put out in the water yet. Here, stand right there and hold it up. Awesome.
Catfish, gotta stand closer.
No, you don't need to stand closer. You can back up a little bit.
And they call catfish.
All right, cool. So hopefully if we hook up over here, we'll get back with y'all on what we're getting.
If you do with my pole, you guys are reeling it in because I have bad luck with it.
So, but anyways, we just want to let y'all know what we're doing.
Brand new ring.
All right, well, we decided Junior wants to go down to the park at the lakes, what he calls it. There's a place that opened yesterday that's closed year-round pretty much. It's supposed to be open, but they opened it yesterday, and he wants to go over there so he can do some swimming and stuff. I mean, you can fish over there too, but you know, we ain't never done super good over there. There's our catfish right there. So as you can see, we did pretty good today. I mean, we've been out here a few hours. We lost a couple. Mama had one on her pole. It got pulled in the water. Wasn't watching. I was doing something else. And it got snatched in the water. And I got it up. Handed it to her to let her bring it in, and it got off. But that happens. So we'd have had another big one. But we probably got about 5, maybe 6 pounds of fish. Just in them 2 fish in this bucket, so that's pretty good. But we're headed out now, and we'll get back with y'all later for something else. Don't forget, we're gonna do Junior's birthday thing tomorrow, so we'll definitely get a video for that. Y'all have a good one. There's Mom and Junior at the swimming area. They're in the water. As you hear from the noise, there's a lot of people down here. But there they are right there swimming. They play different games than what Daddy and Junior does because Daddy feels a little bit more comfortable in the water. But this water over here is a lot colder than where it was earlier, that's for sure. I don't know why, but it is. Mama waving. Junior waving. So yeah, we just thought we'd show y'all this out here. I think I did a video of this it's either gonna be in this series or I did one earlier later or on another video showing this swimming area, but anyways, there we go. Alrighty. Well, we got the grill going, getting the food started cooking for his party and everything, so it's almost time to start it here in a few minutes, but trying to get the food done. Took him fishing today for a little bit. We didn't do anything today but break lines, pretty much. So our fishing trip today didn't go as good as it did yesterday, but that's all right. We only had like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours at the most today after getting everything done. So but yeah, anyways, them hamburgers are out there cooking on the bottom and hot dogs on the top, so we'll see what happens here. We'll try to get some more footage here in a little bit. He's around back right now showing Taylor and Josh his new floaty that he got put in the pool. So, but we'll be back with y'all in a little bit here.
No, that didn't work. Go ahead, go ahead. That happened.
Hey Junior, did you get that floaty for your birthday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot.
You owe me $9, by the way.
Oh, here's that cap for that bottle. Pour so many stuff on it. Or
I'm just kidding.
Put the arm on it.
You like that floaty?
No.
Floaty was $9.
You don't like it?
The floaty?
Yeah.
He said nope.
I know, I heard it.
Yeah.
Careful.
Is that on?
Mm-hmm.
Careful. 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 Just be careful, okay? That.
It's a little cold.
Oh, it's fine to me now. Just have to sit in it. How?
Hello. Feel. Look at me, I'm a walrus. I'm a walrus. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop it.
Baby, quit splashing now.
Not in my face.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, no matter how much you say that, he don't care.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
We're kicking and splashing the camcorders right there. Daddy, see Daddy shaking his head?
He's smiling about it. He's smiling about it.
He's like, listen, why don't you take that and put it outside the porch for a minute and come at me like that? Whoop! Just for a second.
Oh.
Alright, you ready? Hi. 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 I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get your feet. Grab his feet, grab his feet. Grab his feet, grab his feet. Grab his feet. Oh, sure, now you're gonna run away.
No, he ain't a floaty. Oh, he comes slowly, comes.
No! No!
Oh, floaty!
Floaty! Oh, floaty! Oh, wait! I'm gonna drown!
Well, I did get him.
She's not gonna protect you, she's helping me.
Gobble.
I got you today.
No. Whoa.
Yes, stop.
No.
Okay, no. Come on.
Sorry. Jump.
Here comes Chloe.
What?
Don't get in.
I had to go under the water to stop splashing me, please.
Achoo.
Bless you.
Achoo.
He did that 3 times already.
Oh, I know. He always does. He's also going, but he'll tell you he's not cold.
You cold?
You cold? Stop. Are you cold? He's sitting here looking at me going, chattering his little teeth. So he's not cold. No splashing like that. Over there. Oh, excuse me.
You're good. Go ahead.
No.
Oh, he said no.
Excuse me, pardon me. Pardon me.
He said no.
Excuse me, pardon me.
He said no.
Shut up, bird.
There's Junior's little number 6 blend that he wanted right there. There's his little cake. Whoops. His little cake and his cupcakes, which we will be getting to here in a little bit. But right now, he's out there playing in the pool, so we'll get back with y'all when we get to that. So there's that and that. So there's Aaliyah and Zariah down here. There's his little pool party he's having. So they've been waiting on him to show up. And they got him. There you go, all 3 of y'all gonna try to get in there? Woo. Hey look, Mama, all 3 of them were in there. I can't believe all 3 of y'all got in there. You having fun?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
No, you can show it to him in a little bit, okay? You can show it to him in a little bit. He got a box turtle this morning. He saved it. It was in the middle of the road. He got a box turtle. It was in the road this morning. He saved it from getting run over. I'll go get it and bring it out here. No. The other one's in there, yeah, but this one's a box turtle. This one don't live in the water, so. Yeah, we had some minnows left over, so I put minnows in here for him too. Yeah, you could. They're all up here in the shade.
Oh my. Oh my God.
Yeah, I guess I need to show everybody that ain't showed everybody. Yeah, that'll happen. But yeah, there's the minnows. There's that turtle right there. And I'll go get his box turtle, bring it out here for a few. Yeah, if you can catch it. Maybe catch one that's slow and you might be able to get it. I put them in there for the turtle to eat anyways. So. Woo, y'all having fun. I'm surprised he ain't ate them yet.
Good water before. Did we change it?
Yeah, we changed it this morning. Put some fresh water in there.
I think that was Diane.
He may be.
It looks like a dead animal.
That's where Sadie killed that possum the other night.
You're letting water out.
Huh? Yeah, just don't get your hands near the front of him. He's like any other turtle.
See, there's my sandals.
This is gonna be fun watching her get.
See how his shell closes up on the front? That's why they call it a box turtle, because when it closes in there, it closes up like a box.
How the feet coming out?
Well, it will when it opens its shell back up. Yeah, something got a hold of it. I don't know what it was.
What's wrong with him?
He's got holes in the bottom of the shell.
Aww. Oh no.
Maybe like a raccoon. Junior, stop now. Maybe like a raccoon or something got a hold of him. And huh? Yeah, he does. He was moving. He was in the middle of the road, going across the road when we got him.
When I get done done with this, we're gonna go inside and do your cake, okay? When I get done with this, we're gonna go inside and light your candles on your cake and do your cake. Okay?
Yeah, they'll come in too.
We're not gonna sing happy birthday because you don't like being sung to.
Yeah, it scares him.
But we will say happy birthday, okay?
They're gonna eat cake and play in the pool.
Then
Yeah.
we're gonna eat cake.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
So
We
it's
get the cake, you'll get the cupcake.
No! I'm going to play now.
The only reason we got that.
ho. Wait, Zariah's right there. She goes. She's up now. She was trying to come up. They're both still on the thing. She's like,
She's on the water like, hey, there's a video of me at the lake. Watch your foot, buddy. Your ankle was twisted. I'd hate to have to take you to the hospital the day of your party. I would very, very much dislike having to take you to the hospital the day of your party. Especially when you have friends here.
Mama's going in there to get your candles and stuff ready. She's gonna let me know here in a minute.
How about we all get on? How about we all get on?
Well, hey, Junior, wait a minute, baby. When Mama tells me it's time to go in there, we'll go in there, okay? She got to put the dogs and everything up. Off he come. He said, let me try this again. Oh, easy. You okay?
Oh my god!
What happened?
Oh my god!
Easy. You letting too much water out, baby. Back up off the side, please. Thank you. Y'all okay?
Yeah. Give me that right now.
Alright.
Okay, so you can't be good.
No, you don't want us to. Look at
Okay.
Watch out. Excuse me, get over here where I can get this. Alright.
A little warm.
Yeah.
Hold go.
Alright.
You gonna burn yourself.
Happy birthday.
Perfect, buddy.
Make a
Yeah.
wish and blow 'em out.
Blow hard. There you go. Be careful, don't burn yourself.
I'm a king.
Don't burn yourself.
Yeah, you can help him.
Yeah.
Aaliyah can help you too.
Lay them right there on the table. It's fine.
I broke down my candles.
You did, didn't you?
Ow. Ow.
Alright, y'all
Oh,
ready
we
for
made a
some
6.
cake? Y'all ready for some cake?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. You ready for some cake?
Yeah.
No, you're not gonna eat it like that. If you want to destroy a cake, you got a small one in there you can destroy.
Here, Mama's getting ready to catch y'all some cake, okay?
Can we get a cupcake?
Yeah, sure, help yourselves. Get you cupcakes.
All right, buddy. What?
He wanted
You want a
both cupcakes and cake for his birthday, sir.
No.
Watch your finger, baby.
You don't want a balloon?
This birthday I made a 6 on.
He wants the part you made the 6 on.
Difficult, I see. Oh, okay. Excuse me.
That's. I like a piece. I like cake.
Cake. Watch yourself.
Oh my god.
Mommy's not very good at cutting cake.
Right?
Hey, at least I can cut in a straight line.
Yes, I can.
Yeah.
We all know that.
I'm gonna sound that snacks. See? Aliyah.
Grab a couple of his trays if you want
Shoot. Should I get a cupcake?
to. Yeah, baby, go
I'll
ahead.
give him a tray. I'll give him a tray. Alright, where's mine? Where's mine? That's not it. That's not it. Well, it wasn't. I wasn't quite done, I thought.
Grab that metal spatula.
Dad, I can blow this balloon up.
Hold on, we'll blow them up with that pump in a minute. You know we can't blow them up.
Guys.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, let me get you a fork.
No.
A fork.
You don't need it.
You don't want a fork? Alright, who wants cake? Which piece do you want?
That piece.
Of course you do. Of course you do. Why wouldn't you?
Here's a plate for you. Oh, you got two right there. Okay, now.
I got little plates for the kiddies. And
I'll see that.
bigger plates for us. Let me get you a fork. Would you like a piece, Aaliyah?
Guys.
Ooh.
Aliyah, this is.
Which piece would you like? Of course you would. She's like me. She likes the middle pieces. Taylor, would you like a piece?
Are you done?
Yeah.
Well, baby, it's your birthday. If you don't want to eat no more, you don't have to. You can run outside and go get back in the pool, and they'll be out there as soon as they get done eating, okay? Or you can wait in here till they get done.
Of
Either way,
course. Of course you want that one.
okay?
I want a quarter piece.
They can take it outside.
All kinds.
They can take it outside with them too. We'll blow that up in a little bit here, okay?
Mister, guess you blow this stick up for me.
Mr. Roger at the dollar store?
No, I'm talking to you.
You talking to them? Well, they'll probably answer you now that they know the answer.
Yeah, Mr. Roger at the dollar store blew that 6 up for
Oh
you.
my God! I just mopped it here and my floor is covered in puddles.
You'll be all right.
Hey, we okay.
I'm just kidding. Would
Would
you like a piece of cake?
No.
Of course not.
I can't afford it.
Mr. Roger, the dollar store blow this up for me.
Mr. Roger at the dollar store blew
Be
that up for
difficult.
you.
Go on.
He doesn't want a piece of cake and you're being difficult.
Look at my day.
You're not quite done yet.
What, baby?
You still got a few more months to cook there, baby.
That's all I got left.
What is it, baby? Junior. You want to let it go now?
No,
You okay?
You know the
It's almost June.
I don't want to.
Okay, that's fine. You good?
Yeah?
You cold?
No.
Easy, don't hit Aaliyah with that.
That's rubber.
Okay, it's not rubber. It's I don't remember what they make them out of, but it ain't rubber.
Mom,
Mine.
It ain't mine.
Ask Mama, she's smart. She'll
Mine
tell
is
you.
at home.
is it not rubber?
Mylar.
Mylar, that's what it is. See, I told you Mama was smart.
Dad, I like to hold that straight.
All right.
I like to take it off.
Cake bites.
Oh my God! Aaliyah! That blows. Look, bucket head.
You buckethead. All right,
Next
now.
time, show the camera, okay? Come here.
No, she doesn't.
Aaliyah! Aaliyah! That balloon.
Would you feel nicer if I did it?
No. That's right. That balloon.
You need somebody to get that. You give us a minute, we'll get it down for you, okay? I don't know if one of them can reach it. Me or Mommy will have to.
That was gonna work.
Well, you tell Mama.
Thank you.
I know what you're trying to do.
No, I
All right, now if you take it outside, it's gonna take off, okay?
Okay.
What?
This is for Mr. water, do you?
I don't need to go up my nose now.
And he called it?
Oh, like at your birthday party?
Don't get me started with that, please.
Did you get it?
When I shoved the cake in your face? She had cake all up in here, all over here, all down through here.
Go on, Mommy.
I
Aaliyah.
feel it going up my nose.
My birthday's Friday.
Happy birthday, Ruby.
Aaliyah.
I forgot I was doing his birthday party.
His is actually Thursday.
It's his actual birthday. We're just doing this party today.
I'm gonna be 11 Friday.
Aaliyah.
Oh, wow.
Aaliyah.
As you can see, it's going to be an upside down night.
Aaliyah. That's your blood.
That's like 9.
Here's
Mhm.
a 6.
It does look like a 9, sort of, doesn't it?
That's a 6.
And what's funny is the 9 will look like that, but upside down.
There he goes. He turned it upside down.
Is that how?
How do you blow them up?
That is how old
You can use your breath
is.
too. You can use your breath if you got the strong breath.
I'll tell you what, I've got a breath. Not even halfway.
I'm out of breath just looking at it.
Oh!
You hold it on here and you just pump it up. It's about the only way you're going to blow it up. Here, I'll show you real quick. Let me see one. All right, hold on a minute. Let me show you how to do this, okay? Y'all can take it outside if y'all want to do it.
That's my hunting for you, Aaliyah.
If you try to blow these things up right here, they're hard to blow
Very
up.
long to get full.
That's enough.
He still has this one.
You make supposed to blow up way too big.
It's gonna pop.
That one is cupcake.
So there you go.
Some people, if you got strong breath, some people do this.
I know, it's
Like
crazy.
Like a clown.